Welcome to this complete Bratislava, Slovakia travel guide. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Bratislava is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This charming city is brimming with rich history, from medieval fortresses to modernist marvels, each telling their own unique tale. Its architecture is a feast for the eyes, and its vibrant culture pulses through the city's veins, making every stroll an adventure. So fasten your seatbelts, dear explorers, as we prepare to embark on an exciting journey through the heart of Slovakia. Our journey continues as we cross the threshold into the Bratislava National Museum. This repository of knowledge is a must-visit for any history buff. Housing an extensive collection that showcases Slovakia's rich tapestry of history, the museum is a treasure trove just waiting to be unearthed. As we wander through the corridors, we're greeted by archaeological finds that date back to the earliest settlers in the region. The numismatics section dazzles us with a glittering array of coins and medals, each piece telling a story of its own. The ethnographic displays transport us to the heart of Slovak culture, painting a vivid picture of the traditions and customs that are woven into the country's fabric. Every corner of this museum whispers secrets from the past, inviting us to lean in closer and listen. So let's take a moment to soak it all in. The Bratislava National Museum is not just a collection of artifacts. It's a journey through time, a portal into the soul of Slovakia. From the ancient echoes of the past to the resonant stories of the present, this museum is a testament to the enduring spirit of this country and its people. From the halls of history, we step into a poignant chapter of Slovakia's past at the Slavin War Memorial. Standing tall on a hill overlooking the city, this towering monument pays tribute to the 6,845 Soviet soldiers who lost their lives liberating Bratislava during World War II. Each name etched into the stone is a testament to their sacrifice, a solemn reminder of the cost of freedom. As we ascend the steps leading up to the memorial, you can't help but feel the weight of history heavy in the air. But even amidst this somber atmosphere, there's a sense of peace and tranquility that blankets the area. The memorial offers a panoramic view of Bratislava, a breathtaking sight that juxtaposes the city's vibrant present with its turbulent past. As we stand here, let's take a moment to remember and reflect. The Slavin War Memorial is more than just a monument, it's a beacon of peace, a symbol of resilience, a solemn reminder of the past. It stands as a beacon of hope for the future. First stop, the majestic Bratislava Castle. This grand edifice, poised on a hill above the Danube River, has been a beacon of power since the 9th century. Its strategic location has made it a witness to the city's vibrant history, from ruling monarchs to invading empires. The castle's 4 towers, standing tall and proud, offer panoramic views of Bratislava and beyond. On a clear day, you can even see Austria and Hungary from here. It's a sight that's sure to leave you breathless, and not just from the climb. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the castle's unique design. Some say it resembles an upside-down table. Well, if that's the case, then it's certainly the most regal table you'll ever see. From its roots as a royal residence to its current role as a museum and national monument, Bratislava Castle has seen it all. It's more than just a castle. It's the heart and soul of this city. From a royal residence to a symbol of Bratislava, this castle has seen it all. Next, we delve into the charming old town Stare Mesto. The alluring labyrinth of narrow, winding streets where every corner whispers a different tale. Picture cobblestone paths that have been trodden upon for centuries, inviting you into a world that's a beautiful blend of past and present. Now imagine pastel-colored houses, their facades adorned with playful Baroque elements, reflecting the city's vibrant spirit. These houses, they aren't just structures, they're silent storytellers, sharing snippets of history, one visitor at a time. But it's not just the streets and houses that lure people into Stare Mesto. The area is dotted with historical landmarks, each more striking than the last. There's the Old Town Hall with its striking Gothic tower, and the Michael's Gate, the only city gate that's been preserved from medieval fortifications. And then there are the numerous quaint cafes and bustling marketplaces, adding a dash of vivacity to the old-world charm. Walking in Stare Mesto is like stepping back in time. From one castle to another, welcome to Devin Castle. Perched on a rocky cliff above the confluence of the Danube and Morava rivers, Devin Castle's ruins stand as a testament to the area's rich history. The castle, which dates all the way back to the 9th century, served as a strategic outpost for various empires over the centuries, from the Romans to the Habsburgs. Devon Castle's ancient ruins whisper tales of battles fought and lives lived. Its strategic location was a blessing and a curse, providing a tactical advantage but also making it a prime target. The castle was destroyed by Napoleon's forces in the early 19th century and has since remained a ruin. Now some say the castle has a ghostly reputation. Perhaps it's the echo of ancient warriors or the whisper of the wind through the ruins, but don't worry, the only spirits you'll likely encounter here are those bottled up in the local tavern. Devon Castle, where history and mystery meet. Now, let's marvel at the grandeur of St. Martin's Cathedral and take a relaxing Danube River cruise. As we step into the heart of old Bratislava, we encounter St. Martin's Cathedral, an imposing Gothic structure. This cathedral, which dates back to the 14th century, has seen the coronation of nearly 19 Hungarian monarchs. Its rich history is as captivating as its architecture, with its 75-meter-high tower dominating the city's skyline. But the journey doesn't end here. As we leave the cathedral, we head to the tranquil waters of the Danube River. A river cruise here is more than just a ride, it's an experience allowing us to soak in the beauty and charm of Bratislava from a unique perspective. Imagine the sun setting over the city, the colors of twilight reflected in the water, and the cityscape lighting up as night falls. From spiritual to serene, Bratislava never ceases to amaze. Get ready for a bird's-eye view of the city at the UFO observation deck. This distinct structure, perched atop the new bridge, is a marvel of modern architecture, reminiscent of a spacecraft landed on a bridge. Its name, UFO, doesn't just speak to its form, but also to the captivating otherworldly perspective it provides. From here, one can see Bratislava in all its glory, the river Danube flowing through the city, the patchwork of rooftops and distant hills. After soaking in the panoramic sights, we turn our attention to the Bratislava City Museum. Nestled in the heart of the old town, this museum is a treasure trove of the city's rich history. Its exhibits span several centuries, offering glimpses into the city's past. The museum is housed in the Old Town Hall, a building that has stood the test of time, bearing witness to the city's evolution. Here, you can traverse the timeline of Bratislava, from the ancient Celts to the dynamic present. The museum's collections are vast and varied, covering everything from archaeology to clockmaking, from medieval weaponry to the city's guilds. Each exhibit tells a story, painting a vivid picture of the people, their lives and their culture. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply a curious traveler, these two attractions provide a fascinating contrast. Bratislava is a city that beautifully blends the old and the new. Time to appreciate the arts at the Slovak National Theatre. Nestled in the heart of Bratislava, this architectural marvel has been an epicenter of cultural and artistic life for well over a century. Opened in the late 19th century, the theatre has seen countless performances, from invigorating operas and ballets to thought-provoking dramas. Its neo-Renaissance design, adorned with a grand entrance and opulent interior, exudes a certain charm that can't be denied. The theatre stands as a testament to the city's love for the arts, a place where stories come alive and emotions run high. Now let's take a little stroll to a place where faith meets art in the most beautiful way, the Blue Church, or as it's officially known, St. Elizabeth's Church. This isn't your typical church, mind you. It's an enchanting example of Art Nouveau architecture, with its unique blue hue that adorns everything from the exterior walls to the roof and interior mosaics. It's as if a piece of the sky descended and took the form of a church. Constructed in the early 20th century, the church is dedicated to Saint Elizabeth of Hungary, who was born in Bratislava. These two landmarks, the Slovak National Theatre and the Blue Church, bring a splash of color and a dash of culture to any Bratislava visit. In Bratislava, even faith and theatre come in vivid colors. And finally, a visit to Bratislava isn't complete without a trip to its delightful zoo. With over 100 different species of animals, Bratislava Zoo is a haven for wildlife and a paradise for the curious traveler. From majestic lions and playful monkeys to the graceful flamingos and the elusive red pandas, the zoo is a kaleidoscope of nature's most fascinating creatures. But the zoo isn't just about showcasing animals. It plays a crucial role in conservation efforts, working tirelessly to preserve endangered species and educate visitors about the importance of biodiversity. It's not uncommon to see a spark of fascination in the eyes of children and adults alike as they learn about these magnificent beings and the roles they play in our world. The zoo is also a place of joy, laughter, and discovery. It's a place where families come together, where friendships are formed, and where memories are made. Bratislava Zoo, where the wild things are. And that, travelers, was a taste of what Bratislava has to offer. From the magnificent Bratislava Castle, standing as a beacon of history and grandeur, to the charming streets of Old Town and Star Mesto, where every cobblestone whispers tales of centuries past. We ventured to Devon Castle, a majestic ruin that has watched over the Danube for millennia. We stepped inside the sacred walls of St. Martin's Cathedral and embarked on a breathtaking Danube River cruise, witnessing the city from a unique perspective. Our journey took us skyward to the UFO observation deck, where we marveled at the city's panorama and delved into the rich history at the Bratislava City Museum. We were enchanted by the performances at the Slovak National Theatre and touched by the tranquility of the Blue Church, St. Elizabeth's Church, a gem of Art Nouveau architecture. Lastly, the Bratislava Zoo welcomed us into a world of biodiversity, a testament to the city's commitment to conservation. Each of these landmarks is a paragraph in the story of Bratislava, a city where history, culture, and modernity coalesce into a unique tapestry of experiences. Remember, this is but a glimpse. There is much more to be discovered, savored, and cherished in the city's heartbeat. So pack your bags and set your sights on Bratislava, where every corner holds a story waiting to be told.